there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampingup.net. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to focus on the pretty pillow box dies, which are on page 9 of the mini catalogue, the December to January catalogue. That's the front of the catalogue there. So I'm going to make one of these pillow boxes using this die, but I'm going to focus on this paper, which is in the Celebration brochure. So Celebration is our promotion that runs through to the end of September 2021. For every $90 you spend with Stampin' Up, doesn't matter what you buy, from the sale items or whatever, for every $90 Australian you spend, you can choose a free item from this brochure. And I'm going to focus on the Peaceful Prince paper, which is on page 8 of the catalogue. It's all Christmas themed, but I'm loving this pattern right here that you could actually use for any occasion. That's side 1, side B with the little deer, and then I'm loving this plaid, the real red plaid, and then the white snowflakes on the other side. I'm also loving this one with the deer, and we have a deer punch in the mini catalogue as well, and then that's the other side of it, that plaid, or check I should say. It's really pretty paper, really worth checking it out. So I've made 3 different ones here using that paper, but I'm actually going to focus on this one right here. I like the different colours in there. I love the basic Sahara sand against the evening evergreen ribbon, and the pink and greens in the sentiment. So let me show you how I made it. So I've already gone ahead and used the die to cut out the die. It's just one piece. That's the die there for the pillow box. So what you'll need is a bone folder, and it has a fold right there at the top and another fold right there down the bottom. So it's a top fold, okay, so that the pillow box closes up on the sides here. So on each side, let me come up a little bit closer let's bring my light in a bit closer. Each side has got the little curves for the pillow box. So just pop your finger underneath to get that good shape of the pillow, for the closing, I should say. So I just pop my index finger in there and just run that fold along. Make sure you get those corners nice and crisp. So again, I'm just putting my index finger underneath the fold, and I'm having to bring it up a little bit higher. Let me just make sure I've got it right. Yep, because it's quite hard to see on this clear paper. And then again on the other side. You do have to get that well creased, because otherwise it won't close properly. And then this one over here. So just use your index finger just to get that nicely creased. That's the easiest way I've found, is to pop my index finger under there. And then it just simply closes up like that with some adhesive on the back one. So let's put some adhesive down now. I don't know that I've got that one quite. Let me just double check. So I'm just going to come over, just got to come over to my light, which is slightly off camera here, just to get that under. Good. All right. So use whatever adhesive you like. I've tried it with the Tombow glue. I'm actually going to put this one on with some of our Stampin' Seal. Just on each side there. And then all you're going to do is fold the corners in. She says, here you go. And then just work that around with your finger. There we go. And on the other side as well. Once you've done a couple, you'll get the general gist of how it goes. Whoops. There you go. Yeah, and then this one folds over. Now there are additional dies in here to make holes if you wanted to, you know, have a hole closing on that. You can put a belly band around it like I have for this one here. You can just use ribbon, which is what I'm going to do today. So I'm just going to bring in my ribbon. This is the Evening Evergreen. I love this Evening Evergreen against the paleness of the Sahara sand and what whisper basic white. Really like that. Off. They're not too big. They're about three. What did I say? They were about 3 by 3 inches. And once you put them together, so they'll contain a nice little sweet in there if that's what you want to pop in. Sorry, they probably close up a little bit easier if there's something inside there, to tell you the truth. Right, let's put this one together with the ribbon. There we go. Here we are, there's a Alright, now the next thing is this little tag. So the set comes with a really adorable little tag, which I don't have the actual coordinating stamps that go with this set, but I'm using the Wish for Everything stamp set in here because it has multiple sentiments. So I thought this was a good one to choose, and I'm going to use the Happy Christmas. So let's stamp that onto some basic white. I'm using 2 of the new in colours, Polished Pink and Evening Evergreen. So let's just put some of that down right there. And then I really like this combination of colours together, the Evening Evergreen and the Polished Pink. And I'm going to bring in my mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine now and run this through. Just looking for that little die. There it is. And we have in our catalogue, mini catalogue, we also have the Simply Elegant trim. So I'm using the gold. This one. It's pretty simple little set to put together. And put that through there. These will make great little gifts for people, even little table decorations if you wanted to. You don't have to theme them up for Christmas. You can use them for any occasion. Go in there. You know how it is when you tie a bow, you want it to be perfect, right? Out of the way. Just going to trim that ribbon up, and that's that made. So I recommend these pretty pillow box dies. Give them a go. They're going to make great gifts for any occasion, but I'm going to be doing a lot of them over Christmas. And yeah, I hope you liked that video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, Stamping Mary, MERRY @gmail.com, or you can contact me via my Stampin' Up website, Stamping Mary at stampinup.net. Thank you very much for joining. Bye.